A warm welcome to all. I am Anita, lecturer, Research Department of Zoology, Sita Lakshmi Ramasamy College, Tiruchirappalli. Let us see about the flight adaptation. Bird's flight is one of the most complex forms of locomotion in the animal kingdom. Each fact of these types of motion, including hovering, taking off, and landing, involves many complex movements. As different bird species adapted over millions of years through evolution for specific environments, prey, predators, and other needs, they developed specialization in their wings and acquired different forms of flight. Let us say about the flight adaptation. Most birds can fly, which distinguishes them from almost all other vertebral classes. Flight is the primary mode of locomotion for most bird species and is used for searching for food and for escaping from predators. Birds are aptly described as the master of the air. Man constructed aircraft after seeing birds. Birds are good flyers. They are the fastest animal. Their morphology, anatomy, physiology are highly modified for movement in the air. First adaptation, shape of the animal. Birds have streamlined or boat-shaped or spindle-shaped body. It gives very little resistance while flying. Next, feathers. The body is fully covered by feathers. The feathers reduce the friction. It reduces the weight. Wing feathers are used for sticking the air. Tail feathers are used for lifting up and steering during flying. The body feathers form a blanket. The blanket holds certain amount of air between the body and the feather covering. Thus, air helps the bird to keep a buoyancy. Next, wings. The forelimbs are modified into wings, which are used for sticking the air. Tail feather help in lifting up and steering during flying. Loss of the weight. Bones are the pneumatic in nature. The pneumatic bone containing pneumatic cavity. The pneumatic cavity have air sac. This air sac connected to the air sac of the bird. They provided with air sac. The skull bone are thin and sutures are obliterated. The birds have absence of ovary and oviduct from one side. It has absence of urinary bladder. Birds have no teeth. Production of solid excretory product in the form of uric acid and presence of feather. These are the some features to reduce the weight of the animal. Next, flight muscle. The wings are operated by a set of muscles called flight muscle. The flight muscles are highly developed in flying birds and poorly developed in flightless birds. There are four sets of flight muscle. They are pectoralis major, this is pectoralis major, then pectoralis minor, then coracobrachialis and tensor muscle. The pectoralis major and the coracobrachialis bring about the downstroke of the wing. This is the downstroke movement. The pectoralis minor bring about the upstroke of the wing. The tensor muscle keep the prepatagium. The tensely staged when the wings is extended in flight. One interesting bird called shift are believed to be able to sleep in the flight, and the radar observation suggested that they oriented themselves to face the wind in their roasting flight. Next one, air sac. The air sac are thin-walled, non-muscular air sac connected to the lung. This is the lung. This is the air sac connected to the lungs. There are paired cervical air sac. These two are paired cervical air sac. And anterior thoracic air sac. These two are anterior thoracic air sac. And a pair of posterior thoracic air sac. These two are posterior thoracic air sac. And a pair of abdominal air sac. These two are abdominal air sac. And an unpaired interclavicular air sac. This is the unpaired interclavicular air sac. The air sac serves as a reservoir of the air. In the vertebrates, air is supplied to the lungs only once, that is during inspiration, But in the birds, during expiration also, air is supplied to the lungs from the air sac. Thus, in birds, blood is oxygenated twice during single breathing. It's called double oxygenation or double ventilation. Thus, the respiratory system is highly modified, adapted to supply more oxygen to the muscle. Warm-bloodedness. Birds are warm-blooded animals. This helps the perfect aeration of the blood and a great output of the energy. The constant body temperature helps the bird to take flight at high altitude and in the all seasons. Excretion. The excretion system is highly modified. It reduces the weight. Urinary bladder is absent. Urine is in the form of semi-solid uric acid. Next one is circulatory system. The efficient circulatory system, the active flight requires high output of energy. The high output of energy requires more oxygen. The circulatory system is highly adapted for carrying more oxygen. The blood containing large amount of hemoglobin. The heart is very large and divided into 4 chambers. Next one, vision. The power of eye is very high. It has pectin. This is the pectin. This helps the bird to see object from very high altitude. The birds with eyes on the sides of the head have a wide visual field. Then, while the birds have the eyes on the front of their head, such as ovals, have binocular vision and can estimate the depth of the field. Next, perching. The hind limbs and their muscles are well developed for perching. The birds are sleeping on the perch, cannot fall down. This is the perching activity. Next one, pneumatic bone. The bones in the birds are pneumatic, containing air sac. This is the pneumatic bone containing air sac. This air sac connected to the air sac. Next one, synsacrum. In vertebral column, about 14 vertebrae are fused together to form a plate-like structure called synsacrum. This is the synsacrum. This plate-like structure called synsacrum. It acts as a girder to support the entire weight of the bird. It formed by the fusion of the 1 thoracic vertebra, 6 lumbar vertebra, 2 sacral vertebra, and 5 caudal vertebra. Next, keel. The sternum bears a median ridge called keel. The flight muscles are firmly attached to the keel. Next one, furcula. The clavicle of the 2 pectoral girdles are fused in the ventral to form a V-shaped structure called furcula or very taut bone or wishbone. It works like a spring between the 2 wings. These are some flight adaptation. Thank you.